All right, welcome back to another video, some trading. All right, tonight we're going to be on the Euro Swissy 5-minute chart right here. This is going to be a little small, probably a small scalp. I'm going to go ahead and buy, and what's going to happen at some point, the price is going to return up here to the opening of this candle right here. I know I got these numbers all screwed up here. It's 207. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong price. I'm reading the wrong thing. 207. And where am I at? 229. See if I can get this right. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the close price. I need to be at the open. Alright, so our opening here is 230. We're going to go down a pip. Alright, so that's where the market will return to. If this does decide to take a dip down of any significance, I will definitely be putting in a second trade. But for the time being, we're just going to hang back, let the market do its thing, and again, we're going to be patient. And we put in a alert here. Okay, we'll leave that like it is. Just make it ring once. And I'll leave this probably right about there so I can catch this before it attempts to hit that profit line, hopefully. So for the moment, I'm going to pause the video, and I'll come back when we're getting close here. Alrighty, so it looks like we're trying to get close to hitting our take profit line here. Don't know if it'll make it on this candle or not, but one thing is for sure, and that is it will get back to this price, guaranteed. So I'm twisted here whether to pause the video or hang out for a few minutes. But while I am here, I will say that this is a trade I'm taking off of our 5-minute setup that we use for the 10 or 11 other pairs that we trade other than the euro dollar. Euro dollar has its own kind of special 5-minute setup, but this is a derivative of it, and it works great for other pairings. The 10 or 11 that we do trade, we don't trade all pairings for a number of reasons. So I'm going to pause this real quick, and I'm going to keep an eye on it. I got this alert set, so if I hear that alert, I'll come on back, and we'll go from there. Alright, looks like we're getting relatively close to our take profit line, just like we knew it would. Again, it's just a matter of being patient and having that setup that works for you 100% of the time, which is exactly what we have. So let's see if this candle will go on up there and pop that line for us. If not, we'll just be patient until it does and sit back and relax. We know where it's going. We're not worried about it. Believe me, I can find something else to do while this is going on. But I'm trying to make these videos so that hopefully somebody can learn from it. Otherwise, most beginning traders won't stand a chance. You will be part of that 95% that loses. Believe me, I used to be there. I've learned, watched, and observed, and I've come to understand that while this may look like chaos to most people, there is a particular order to it. And if you are an observant person, you just might pick up on it because it is right in front of your face. You don't see any Bollinger Bands or clouds or any of the other indicators or any of that mess on my screen. Don't need it. Everything I need It's right here in these candlesticks. And if you know what you're looking for, this is all you'll need. So, trying to hang on here and see if this is going to come up and tag our line, or we're going to get some more people that want to go the wrong direction on us. So, I'm going to pause this because I still haven't hit the alert. And we got a little gap between there. So, I am going to put a horizontal line here where this will more than likely go. Actually, it'll probably go all the way up here to this wick, but I'm getting out here at the opening of this candle here. So we'll pause this and I'll be back. Alright, hit our alert and look at this. Missed that take profit line by about 1 pip. This is what the market does to you, teases you. So we're just going to hang back and be patient, and we will wait because we know where it's going. It's just a matter of time. So I'll be back. Alright, so here we are with another trade. This one's going to be on the dollar Swissy. But before I get into this trade, I want you all to look at this chart and you tell me, what am I going to do here? Am I going to sell or am I going to buy? Look at it real carefully. So all of you who think that I am going to put in a sell, you are absolutely wrong. I'm going to buy because the market is going to go back up. And what's going to happen, market's going to come all the way back up here. And we're going to get out at the opening of this candle right here, which is going to be, let's see, that's 78,985. And believe it or not, we still have our euro, our euro Swissy trade is still going. So I got 2 trades going, and we just about hit that one, but we haven't quite made it yet. And this one here, I'm going to double check my numbers here. It's open 985. I'll bring this down 1 pip to 984, because as you can see, the market likes to take it right to that point and then goes the other direction. And I'm going to put in an alert here. I'm going to change this one to a different sound. Alright, let's see here. This is going to be about 88 pips. You know what, I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, I'll wait. I was thinking about putting in a second trade here, but that's alright. I'll just hold off. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video, and when either one of these trades comes close to hitting the take profit, I will return. Well, looks like our euro Swissy trade closed out the minute I paused that video. So the only trade I have left here is the dollar Swissy, and these people here are going the wrong direction. They don't realize it yet. They're going to find out soon enough. So I'm just going to pause this, and we'll see how far down they take the market. And if they do take it any significant amount, I'm going to put in another trade or two. So I'm going to pause this again, and I will come on back. Alrighty. So it looks like we've got traders here that want to take us in the wrong direction. So my solution for them is to buy some more, and we're going to pull this on up. Let's just leave it a few pips off so we can see the difference here. Alright, and again, patience. This is where I just sit back, turn on YouTube, listen to some music, get me something to eat, and just wait to hear that alert go off. And it will. It's just a matter of time. So you all hang back, learn from these videos, try and learn the setup. And just in case I didn't mention, the whole setup here happened right in this area right here. So maybe you can figure it out. If you can't, drop me an email, proedgeforex@gmail.com. For the moment, I'm going to pause this and I'll be back. Alrighty, back with our dollar Swissy trade. As you can see, we had a bunch of traders drag this the wrong way, and now the market's going the way it should have gone to begin with. Hopefully these guys here won't drag it down any further the wrong direction, and we'll go on right on up and hit our profit line. But as usual, we're going to be patient. We're going to hang back, and I'm going to pause this and we'll see what happens. Well, it looks like we're getting very close to hitting our take profit line, just like I knew we would, as usual. And hopefully it'll happen on this candle. We all know how the market likes to trick you and play little games and get you right up there to the take profit line, a pip or two away, and all of a sudden it goes, whew, takes a trip straight down to hell. Hopefully that won't happen. Hopefully this will go straight on up, tag our line, and send us on our way with our money. Let's see what happens. Do I pause the video? Do I let this ride? Because I'm almost certain the minute I pause this, this is going to ping straight up. But let's give it a few seconds and we'll see what happens. And I don't know if I mentioned, the whole setup for this trade happened right in this area here. So maybe you can figure it out. If you're observant, you're smart. If not, yeah, that's your problem. Well, I sure spoke up that trip to hell on this trade, didn't I? See how the market takes you up there right close to your take profit area and then whoosh, fools you. So, again, we're going to kick back, be patient, try not to fall asleep here. So I'm going to go and grab me some tea, get that caffeine in me. Hopefully that'll keep me up. And just going to continually watch the market. Maybe there'll be some other trades. But either way, I'll pause this and I will be back. Alright, so here we are back at our dollar Swissy trade. It is the next morning. As you can see, this has pretty much been just kind of bouncing sideways here. But looks like we may be trying to get up here to our profit line. So we're going to hang around for a few, see what happens. And if it does get any closer, or trigger my alert here, I'll come on back. Alright, so it looks like we're really close here. Is it going to make it on this candle? Guess we're going to have to wait and see. But it is teasing. Let's see what happens. Let's give this a few, because we still haven't triggered our alert yet, which means we do have a few pips left to go. And if you can grasp a hold of what I'm doing with our setup, you can get out of your trade early. You can take your profits early. Doesn't make a difference. You don't have to wait until it hits to take profit. The point here is to make profits. If you feel comfortable getting out with what you've made, go right ahead. No set rules here. It says you have to get out at that particular take profit area. So I'm just gonna be patient here and we'll wait and see what happens, but I am gonna pause this for the moment. Alright, so we're getting close here. There goes our alert, and we are a couple of pips away from that take profit line. Is it going to make it on this candle? Is it going to bounce us around again? Let's see. Hopefully it'll hit it. But if not, that's where the patience is required. And there's one trade. One more. And I may just get out of that one a little early. A pip or two early. It's not a big deal. I had them set at two different prices just so I could show that there were two different trades here. I'm not going to cry over a penny or two. Come on, let's see if it'll hit it again. I know it will. Yeah. All right, well, we're going to get out of this. It will go back up there and hit that line again. I was just a pip off on my take profit, but no big deal. We made profits on that one. So let me go back over this here. I'll shrink this down a little bit. I better blow it back up because you can't see. Got into this trade somewhere right up in here, I guess, and then I put it in a second trade when it came down further. But the whole setup that I used happened right in this area, right in that area. So that is going to conclude this video, and I'm going to hang around and see if I have any more trades today. And if I do, I'll definitely be back. If not, catch you all on the next one. Everybody take care.
Wanna make that dollars, bones and bones, euros, show me where the money go. Dollars, bones and bones, euros, let me got the money go.